Okay, thank you for joining me. We're here on PGM, and before I get to the PGM chart, let's go over the disclosure, of course, obviously, and this is for my practice purposes, and you will need to seek your own legal advice. All right, read the disclosure, please, and let's move forward. Okay, so with that being said, daily chart, what I would like to do is go over what PGM is going to do in the future of the next, weeks, months to come here, and what we try to anticipate. But I typically like to go that route. But I have to I am more of a freelancer trader, free thinking trader. So we don't like to be put into many boxes. And with that being said, peek your head out, peekaboo. What are you picking your head up on? Are you even true? So are we going to see 61, 63 cents as support? That's the question. I do have support here at 73 cents, 74 cents also. And right now, it may be a good thing because I'm kind of nervous really not nervous, but I don't like the setup and where it stands currently to getting over. So if we do get some good volume push with this 73, 74, 72 cent support, then we need to see some real performance. But we definitely do not go off a one candle move back in December 30th, 2019, and what took place in pure gold mining. We had strong support back in November the 11th, and also even October the 15th. We definitely had good strong support, and actually I still see good strong support on the weekly chart. Just my analysis that this kind of scared me in a sense of looking like we're on a stronger pullback, but I'm gonna take that back. I'm taking that back as I gauge momentum in the analysis portion of this here. As we speak on it here, I'm gauging momentum as well. A lot of times you have so many tools in your mind, and you want to be cautious of all, and that it all can be done. But at the same token, where are we at? So we've had volume come in and no real price movement with that volume that came in, but it was more of a turn from this particular area here in that particular day and time. So January 3rd, 2012, Pure Gold Mining Inc. had a moment in time that was very interesting, and it also had some pushback on November 11th. Okay, so we have some more coming in, which is a good sign. Even back on July 4th of July or something like that. Yeah, 2011, my B-Day. And what else do we have going on? Seems like pure gold had a lot of retracement to the upside, not so much as prior to July the 4th, 2011. We're gonna move this down if I can ever get it down. Thank y'all for being patient with me. If you're here to review these charts with me, then you understand and you're looking for a profitable opportunity in your trades. And here we are, a technical analysis trader, freelance trader. Excuse all of this. I'm not doing this currently, but I wish I can get it down to this $2.40 mark, and between $2.40 and $1.78, and see how it approaches this $1.78. Of course, it has to get to the $1.20, 21 cents first, and get through that to get support eventually as it pulls back to start to make its way on up. And we want to see how it gets through the 180 to the top, which I would consider the top of a range, ideal top of a range that we're in, at the $2.34 mark. Or no, I'm sorry, $2.34, $2.27. Okay, so this is my precise numbers and the move, and that's over a monthly period of time. I still see it as a buy. What I would like to see here with pure gold on a weekly chart, if I can get anything going. Right now, like I say, I want to encourage it to the upside, and on this weekly chart here, let's see, we better keep our tail above this 74 cents, 72 cents. We're up in there, and obviously you want to know your own threshold, but 61 cents is a possibility on this particular move here. So if this does not, because currently right now we're not holding above, we're not getting and staying above these areas, which would be 76 cents. So we need to stay above that, which we are actually trying to, and we are above it, actually 76 cents. So we do have buyers just as strong as those sellers, and so we're in a sideways movement, which is good because we're still above things, and that will show me more to the upside, which is going to the 120 and how we approach the 120, 121 mark, so we can get above that and get on up to the other target mark I was speaking about when I spoke on, was it 234? There we go. I got some marks. Good grief. Draw something, bro. Well, I did, but the line won't go down. I typically like to move my line because I don't like messing with these charts after I make these videos. I just move on. And I can't get this freaking thing. Y'all can see how much it's bothering me. And I just want to do it every once in a while. Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to leave it around at 234 mark. Alright, thank you again for your patience. And thank you again for, analyzing this with me. We like to be more thorough with our trades, be more precise with our trades. I don't like to, as you can see, I can pinpoint price targets. And this is not based on, what this is based on is range, period. The market moves in ranges. It stays within a range. And if I can say a range a billion more times, I would say a range a billion more times, but I don't have the breath, wind, air. I do have the care. And with that being said, range, baby. Can't get it through your head enough. Don't want to hear anything else. Range is what you should hear a billion times. Everything is within a range a billion times. Okay? So you got trends that still are within ranges a billion times. Okay? So your trend ain't your friend. Trend is your friend, whatever you want to say it. Ranges a billion times. Say it. Range. is within a range. So when you see a price spike, you see an uncertainty in the market. You see President Trump, give a tweet, a notice, and something that may be taking place. You see a news flash of something like the coronavirus that may be taking place, and rhyme and reasons for movement. We're traders, so you guys already should know these things, ladies and gentlemen. But the ones that are observers and taking the advice, and with the price movements, a lot of my on my deals, and taking that, or just here for education piece, then you want to kind of keep on observing. And of course, that's what's going to bring you in profitable, being more observant, more knowledgeable, all around individual. Okay, thank you again. Yeah, have a good day. Let's see, I think I'm going to shut it off. I don't want to go to the daily. Can I go to the daily? If I can ever get the truck to move. Oh my goodness. Trying to show how to trade on an open live. You know, pull out the trade. I don't care where we at in the market. I'll call it from whatever range it's in. And if I can't, then don't hurt me for it. Honest mistakes is that some of my mistakes, which is most people's mistakes, impatient. Keep analyzing. Right now we're haven't gotten back up to our highs prior, but then we did here, but it was false and it's not as strong on a one candle. And now we're 100% pullback. So that would be more considering for sure to see the 170, 172 area. So I do see a pullback, although I'm seeing a pullback in the regards of the daily. And I don't want to neglect that pullback. So definitely this is more of a considered my position to be on the sideline and see a certain strong strength on the turnaround with the volume. Okay, and the price action if nice, but how it reacts off these particular marks of the 74, 72 area. But currently I would suggest that this is a pullback to that phase, and just to give you then possibly a down at the 70 whatever 78 area, 77 area, back to the downside, and at the last support outside of that would be considered the 62-60 area. 62-60 area. Okay, so to be on the safe side, the realistic side, playing both sides of the field. This is where, if you stick with the end of the video, you really get the true jewels of being in the trade and understanding the importance of continuing to analyze something after your first conclusion. This is on a daily chart, and again, I am at 100% pullback rate currently in the past 3 days or so, 4 days or so, and that's never good to the upside when sellers are pushed back 100% to the buyers. And so if they continue, then the support of 70, I want to see 70, whatever, between the 72 and 70 hold, and the next support will be considered 63 to 61. Okay. All right. Thank you again for your patience. I'm going to leave it there. Happy pips. Happy trading. This is also, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up. And yeah, thank you again. Market trading with CL.